Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. So guys, go to the Zapier, this website, create account, free account, and then click on create, click on Zapier from here. After that guys, just await. You have two options here, triggers and one action. From here select your Notion guys from here, and then log in your account from here. Notion, sign in, just sign in with your account with your name and your email and your email on email from Notion. And then so guys, this is for Notion. From here, action 2, select your ChatGPT. So guys, click on ChatGPT. As you can see here, open AI, then complete your email sign up option from here, and then you will connect it successfully with Notion and with ChatGPT. Just complete your connection setups with Notion, and from here with ChatGPT, just you redirect it to ChatGPT account from here. Enter your create API key from here, and then or click on open AI Basic setting, copy your API key from ChatGPT, and then here select your Notion account. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.